What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Rogue flip key remote fob. So this remote key fob is going to be for the Nissan Rogues that do not have a push button start ignition. It's one of the options. And it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and flip the key blade out. Now if we take a look at the bottom near the key ring down here, we see this notch right here. What we're going to do is put the flathead screwdriver in that notch and then twist it like this, like we're opening a lock with the key. So put it in there, make sure it's all the way in there, and then twist. And as you do that, it's going to start the shell apart. And then you can just carefully work your way around until you're able just to go ahead and pull that off. And then in the back of the shell here, we see the battery. You can use your screwdriver to help you get under the edge of it. Get the old battery out of there. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down on the holder, like that. And now we just need to snap the two halves back together. And sometimes this does take a little bit of pressure. I found a good way is if you kind of sandwich it between your hands. Lets you get a good amount of pressure on there. Make sure you get that closed all the way around. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.